Couple of Ripple things we need to talk about. Number one, they're probably going to end up becoming a bank, which is going to completely change the game for the entire crypto industry and traditional finance. But they're also working on a brand new token standard. And this particular token standard is going to be crucial for XRPL to not only sustain, but continue to expand and grow and compete. And yes, last week we talked about the two different DeFi opportunities on XRP, but I really want to focus on these two stories because the fact that Ripple could become a bank soon, not a lot of people are talking about. As always, I'm WendyO. I talk everything crypto every single day. Make sure you guys drop a comment because I read them all. And of course, subscribe, set alerts so you get more fast. Let's talk about the multi-purpose token white paper Ripple just dropped, also known as MPT. So MPT is a new token standard on the XRPL for developers and institutions. Keyword is institutions over here, okay? It embeds metadata and compliance features directly in the token. The compliance part is incredibly important because if Ripple wants to be a bank or just really do anything in TradFi, compliance is going to be key. And we know that they do things the right way. No custom contracts are needed, which makes it easier for developers, and it also reduces risk and speeds up deployment, meaning fast. It's got built-in KYC and AML. We don't like KYC AML, primarily because but at the same time, adoption. It also has asset freezing and clawbacks, which we don't like at all. But again, compliance, the future, embedding itself into TradFi. And it is designed for practical business needs and scalability. Also, it aims to enable RWAs on fast, reliable, predictable ledger via the XRPL, which again is great for XRPL. Now, we know that Ripple wants to acquire Hidden Road, and the SEC just opened the door for investment advisors to use state trust as crypto custodians. And yes, Ripple, I'm looking at you. So basically, the SEC issued a no action letter allowing investment advisors to use state chartered trust companies as qualified crypto custodians. And this kind of clarifies what, as a bank under the Investment Advisors Act and Investment Company Act of 1940, old stuff over there. But Ripple and Coinbase are now eligible to serve as qualified crypto custodians. And the custodians also have to meet strict requirements, which is probably why they wanted to acquire Hidden Road. Now, Ripple's not going to do this on their own. They're actually going to be using standard custody, which is a digital asset custody solution for institutional investors. And it is completely owned subsidy of Ripple. So moral of the story is the SEC directly held Ripple back from achieving their goals. And the good news is that they are finally able to continue to move forward. And I didn't really pick them as becoming a bank, but at the same time, I highly think that they are going to become a bank. Goodbye.